Oh my goodness. Got a cloudy day today. Not gonna get any rain. Just some clouds. We were supposed to get some sprinkles last night. I don't think we did. Today's supposed to be a cloudy day. High of about 64, I believe it was. Morning, morning, ladies. And Mr. Cocoa Puff. Oh, Mr. Cocoa Puff, there you are in the back. Yes, sir, I see you. You look fabulous. Fabulous. Hey, Maybelline, how's it going? You're doing well? Okay, good. Yes, yes, yes. You're ready for breakfast. I hear you. What? Yes, yes, I know. You guys get up at the crack of dawn. I'm not out here at the crack of dawn. Oh, my. The conversation. Okay, let me get the stuff for you. Hold on, let me get your food. Get your food. Let's do it. Oh, yes, sir, Mr. Cocoa Puff, I agree. Yes, I am coming in, ladies. Back it up, back it up. Whoop, trying to grab the door. Hold on, it's flinging open. Yes, Panini was waiting for an invitation. We don't want her in here. Oh, you guys moved through the leaves on the radishes. That's awesome. I love to see that. Did you enjoy them? You did? Well, that's awesome. Oh. I left my scoop out there. Okay, it's all right. I got it. I'm a professional. Calm down. A little bit more. Hold on. Okay, there's that one. Coming over here. Oh, my. Look at that mess. Thank you, Mr. Cocoa Puff. Oh my, let's see if there's any eggs over here while everyone's out. No? Nothing yet this morning? Okay, I thought I'd check. All right. Everyone's so talkative this morning. Well, the food's down there. Oh, you're going in to lay an egg? Okay. You do you, girl. Do that. Yeah, I gotta go check on the chicks next. All right. Enjoy. Oh, let me swish your water. Swishy, swishy. Ooh, it's gross. Hold on. One more swish. Ah, there we go. Much better. Better. All right. Excuse me. Yes. Coming through. Your feathers are looking so much better. Cocoa Puff's talking up a storm this morning, isn't he? Nice. These clearly are no longer chicks, people. Well, they are chicks, technically. They're actually cockerels and pullet. I mean, they're just cockerels. I forgot. No pullets. Just cockerels. These are all males, so cockerels. Coming in here, boys. There's a lady coming in. Make sure you're decent. You good? Okay. So no lights last night. I did not turn the lights on. And I just pulled the tarp back down for nighttime, but I'm gonna go put that back up for today. Like I said, I believe we're supposed to get to a high of 64. It's gonna be a lovely day. Oh, I just need to get in. Sorry. Ooh, the hubbub. Some of the powder out, that's all. Yeah. Alrighty, enjoy. Got the back open for you. Get you nice light in here. Have a good day. There you go. They've had their breakfast. Let's take a look up here. Collards are doing great. They are really taking root. So is that romaine lettuce. Now the cilantro, this one barely had any root on it. So remember we talked about trying it? I'm not sure. It's looking like it's drying up. It really barely had any root on it, so I'm not surprised. And the same with the these onions, the chives rather. The chives really didn't have enough root on them. I didn't think they did, but I thought I'd give them a try. So let's get those out of there. Yucky. But the lemongrass, yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah, baby. Also, take a look. The red cabbage is taking off. Wow. That right there is collards. Collards there, small collards there. Look at the spinach, yum, taking off. Okay, so check this out though. This is what's cool. I decided, oh, we got a little bird feather here. Let's get that out of there. So cool, it's a tiny one. Tiny little bird feather. Little bird feather, tiny, tiny, tiny bird feather. Okay, so I decided just to try something. I literally sprinkled cilantro seeds. I had an abundance of cilantro seeds, so I just literally sprinkled some in the grow bed, and as you can see, they are actually growing. Look at that. Just like I said, I literally sprinkled the seeds, so you can see most of them that took were over here. Sprinkled the seeds in the grow bed. I love it. We love cilantro. So yes, 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 yes. Pulling off some dead leaves in here, off the romaine lettuce. There we go. Awesome, things are going well. So even if this cilantro doesn't take off right there, the one that we brought over from the garden that barely had any root on it, even if that one doesn't take off, we have backup. Yeah, lots of backup. Boom, boom, boom. Love it.